On Holy Thursday, Targoviste becomes a city of light through Calea Luminii, an event started in 2000 by artist Mihai Șerbenescu. Thousands of lit candles form a symbolic path, marking the hope of the resurrection. The statue of Mihai Viteazu is surrounded by candles and people gather for reflection. King Carol IV Boulevard, with a history dating back to the interwar period, is closed to traffic during the Calea Luminii event. Along its entire length, candles are lined up in the middle of the street, creating a luminous path that symbolizes the journey towards the resurrection. Over the years, the event has attracted not only the city's residents, but also tourists from across the country. Throughout its history, the procession has seen the participation of important personalities, including representatives of the Orthodox Church, who have highlighted the message of unity and spiritual rebirth that the event conveys. The atmosphere is one of contemplation and meditation, with thousands of participants letting themselves be carried away by the magic of the light and the message behind this tradition. The event has been consistently supported by local authorities and the Diocese of Targoviste, and traditional craftsmanship exhibitions have also been held along the boulevard to add a touch of authenticity.
Uite, moi, mama!
Hei, copii!
King Carol, Farm Boulevard continues to be marked by candles stretching across its entire length, and as participants make their way towards Mitropolia Park, the atmosphere becomes increasingly filled with spirituality. Mitropolia Park, a site with a long history, where one of the oldest churches in the city was built in the 18th century, still holds important religious traditions for the community. Over the course of its 25 editions, Calea Luminii has brought together people from all corners of Romania and even foreign tourists eager to experience this unique tradition. The crowd walking along the boulevard reflects an atmosphere of communion and hope, symbolizing unity among people and faith in the future. As participants near the park, the candlelight reflects in their faces, and they live the moment with a deep spiritual intensity.
Hai, rămâneți pe mijloc aici.
Back in Mihai Viteazu Square, now fully enveloped in darkness, the candlelight creates a stunning visual effect. Participants light their candles, share silent prayers, and take a moment for reflection in this sacred setting. front of the Metropolitan Cathedral, candles form the inscription Targoviste 25, marking the 25th edition of Calea Luminii. The cathedral, built between 1519 and 1537 by Neago Basarab, has witnessed many historical and religious events. This sacred place remains the spiritual heart of the event, connecting past and present in a single glowing tribute. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button to discover more hidden gems